Hey guys, so I'm kind of realizing I already made a mistake. I don't like to start off the semester making a mistake, but I'm willing to admit when I do make a mistake. There was actually four things due. I didn't mention that in my little reminder. Complete the Edpuzzle video quiz on Renee Magritte below. And this was something I added in last minute to this week, and that's why I kind of had a little bit of a lapse in my memory there when trying to remind you of things. And even my walkthrough video doesn't mention that there's an Edpuzzle video quiz because I made the walkthrough video before I added on number 7 here, which is down here. So if you haven't done that, I will let you get that in to me without any kind of effect to your grade. I'll give you till Sunday. This coming Sunday, which I believe is the 13th of June. So before 11:30, without any effect to your grade. So I apologize for that. I wanted to kind of, most of you actually got it in, but there was a few people that didn't, and I don't blame you for not getting it in. So that's my bad. I'm willing to admit when I'm wrong, and definitely can extend that deadline for those of you that missed that. So just letting you know that was my mistake. In the future, I will try to be way more thorough. Okay, talk to you later.